Alright, cool. So we about to make a SZA Type beat. So let's get into it. I already threw in a D major scale in the background, so I'm gonna use that for today. I might change it, I might not, we gonna see. So let me start filling in the notes. I'm gonna also use an 11th chord, so that means 4 notes in the chord. Sounds nasty. Let's try a E major scale. I actually like that. Alright, so it sounded cool so far. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna put it in a different on a different sound just to give it some more style, you know what I'm saying? Cause right now it sounded bland. Ooh. Yeah, that's SZA right there, and I'm gonna cut it short halfway. Alright, cool. So basically, I took a E major scale, and then I just filled in the notes. I made a an 11th chord. You basically just make an 11th chord by filling in each note on a scale, but you skip a note, so it'd be B, skip a note, D sharp, skip a note, F sharp, skip a note, A. I continued that alone, so I like what I heard. And then I didn't want it to sound too bland, so I threw in these like intro notes to kind of tell a story and go with the chords, and this is what we have. Right? I like it. It's real chill, real simple, it's calm. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna add another melody. Alright, cool. So I kinda wanna use Sakura. I don't really use this too much, but I did make a video where I use it. And like, people was telling me that it sounds dope. So I'm gonna see if I can use it here. I'm gonna go for something simple, but I'm also gonna stretch it out. I'm gonna add like another one. I'm just gonna add like a little deviation to it. Alright, cool. So I basically threw in like a simple guitar melody. Just something to like hold the vibe of it. And like, I didn't want to change it up too much. I'm gonna leave like the real melody for the bass. So if I add something else into it with a melody, but I just wanted it to be like real chill and real somber. I threw on an EQ and I threw on a reverb, and I put the reverb up and I put the dry down just to like make it just sound like it's far away. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna throw in a third melody. I'm thinking about adding in some bass, but we gonna see. Sound real nice, real chill. Now that I feel like I have the vibe down, I'm gonna throw in like some I'm gonna throw in some drums, something real chill and nice to fit the beat. So let's get to it. Alright, cool. So I threw in some drums, they real chill. Yo, this is a real calm vibe, so y'all enjoy it. Make sure to leave a like if you like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. Become a part of the fam, you feel me? Subscribe. So you can get videos like this every single week. I made this video because I've been more on my R&B, kind of like, and honestly, SZA has been really making a lot of waves in the R&B game, and like her music is just crazy. So why not try to make something her style? I liked her first ever album, so I tried to make something more of that sound. Hopefully y'all liked it, because I loved it. So I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. Peace.